Maybe you want to import a PDF of some plans so that you can trace the plans and estimate the job in BuildingWorks. Or perhaps you want to import a PDF map of the local area to show your building in situ. If a DWG or DXF version of the file is available, you might want to import that instead. You'll be able to interact more with the imported drawing, for example by clicking on snap points. With an imported PDF, the drawing will simply appear as a symbol. In this video, I'll show you how to import a PDF and how to place the image on your drawing. To start with, you'll need to consider the size and scale of the drawing template when you create your project. Before selecting your page size and scale, check the size and scale of the existing plans. If you match the scale of the page to the plans you're importing, you won't need to spend time scaling the plans once they're imported. I'm going to select A4 1:50 landscape, as this matches my original plans. You can change the scale and page size later on from within the drawing module if you need to. All of the tools you need to take off and estimate from existing plans can be found on the Scan and Trace tab. First, you need to import your existing plans. Click the Import button. A dialog box prompts you to select the file type you want to import. You can import a scanned image, such as a JPEG or a bitmap, a PDF, or a CAD file into BuildingWorks. If you import a CAD file, such as a DWG or DXF file, you can click on snap points on the drawing. This time I'll show you how to import a PDF, as this is the file type most commonly used. Once you've selected your file type, click Next. Now locate the file on your computer and click Open. The next dialog box gives you a preview of the PDF. If the PDF document has multiple pages, you can scroll through them and select the page you want to import using the arrows here. Once you've selected the page you want to import, click Finish. Now you need to place the PDF image on the drawing page. The instructions at the bottom of the screen help you to do this. The first instruction says, click to place the first corner point of the image. Locate the bottom left-hand corner of the drawing page, the origin, and click the left mouse button to place the first corner of the image. The next instruction says, click to place the second corner point of the image. Click as closely as you can to the top right-hand corner of the drawing page. It may help to zoom in by hovering your cursor over the corner and scrolling the mouse wheel towards the screen. Left-click to place the second corner of the image. After a moment, the imported PDF plans will appear on the BuildingWorks drawing screen. You may need to zoom out by scrolling the mouse wheel away from the screen so you can see the whole page again. If you've matched the page size and scale of the imported drawing to the BuildingWorks page, the imported drawing should automatically appear at the correct scale. However, if the imported image has not been imported to scale, you can adjust the scale using the Measure Image Scale tool. Take a look at the video called How to Scale an Imported Drawing for help on how to do this. Let's take a moment to look at the other buttons on the Scan and Trace tab. Once the image is imported, BuildingWorks will automatically switch to trace mode. You can see that it's switched on as the toggle trace mode button has turned blue. This means when you trace over the imported plans with the architectural tools, the walls, windows, doors and so on that you draw will appear in a bold red pen, so you can clearly see what you're doing. The image is imported onto its own Scan and Trace layer. This means that you can hide and show the original drawing as required using this button here. Now it's your turn to try. Import a PDF into your drawing using the Import button on the Scan and Trace tab. If the PDF has multiple pages, select the page you want using the next and previous page arrows. Follow the instructions to place the PDF on your drawing. Remember, the easiest way to insert a PDF at the correct scale is to match the size and scale of the page, and click on the corners of the drawing page when you place it. If you want to trace the drawing once you've imported it, take a look at the video called How to Trace an Imported Drawing for further step-by-step help.